Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to find downloads on iPhone. So there are two methods at which you can find download on your iPhone. First thing is, if you download through Safari, then just open the Safari. So if you download through Safari, you should have the download button somewhere around this angle or here, but you should have it right at this angle, and that should be an arrow up button or arrow down button. It will show a downloading process of a small icon rolling at the top edge of this angle. Then just tap on it, then this will bring out the download from your to bring out all the download file on your phone. And here's another method. So for you to be able to find download, just go to your file on your phone, tap on the file, then from here tap on browse, then from here you can tap on download. This is the icon right here, which is the drop down zero icon. Tap on download, then you can have access to all the download the download files on your phone, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.